Yo, yo, yo. Chat, now hear me loud and clear. You just let me know. Today I win. Think today I Wednesday, bro. I'm gonna start share screen with them by the way, cause kinda late. 8:30. I don't even think we have news 8:30 though. We have news, let me see. We have news 9 o'clock, 9:35 and 9:45 also on red folder. But our time 8:21 as we say so chat. We have already analysis, as I'm say, we're good. We're not in the news. I found out 8:30, but we're 9 minutes until 8:30, so we have like 9 minutes for run the analysis chat. But look, what me that tell you again? Leave a member, bro. Maybe I have something for telling you, but chat. We just jump straight tonight. Probably not make live stream or towards the end of the stream. I'm telling you, but we have 8 minutes left, so but we'll just run the analysis, bro. I always try for like get the analysis done by 8:30, so we'll do that. Who that? Alright, chat. So we'll start from the monthly time frame. I'm gonna go full screen. We'll start from the monthly time frame as usual. We got 7 days left until we get like a closure. We push up towards 33.99 or 34, yeah, 34.96. Print a top week, we start for reject. But chat, yeah, I think within 7 days this monthly candle going flip bearish, bro. I don't think so, chat. Like this whole entire monthly candle, the weekly flip bearish though. The current weekly candle flip bearish, but we have the monthly candle flip all the way at 31.24. In order for flip, I mean, that will require some volume, bro. I'm gonna say this hour we even know much pips that I'm gonna say. So I'll be like 200, 1,000. This will be like 2,000 pips, bro. That's like a 2,000 pip range, chat. So if this monthly candle go flip, would have forward all the way back there, so bro, that would require like serious volume. I don't even know, it depends, cause we probably have news next week. Next week probably we have a lot of news next week. We could push price all the way down towards this level, but as I'm say, that would require some volume. But if I look on the current weekly candle chart, print a top week, we flip back bearish, 2 days and 9 hours left. See this weekly candle flip chart, more than need for see like a closure below, and more than need for see go and grab liquidity, because we've been in our range for like 3 hours now. We go up on the 30-minute time frame. I think we did finally break out like just now. Yeah, but we've been in this range chat. You see me? We're just in this range, as you can see. I'm showing you. It's candle, we close bullish, respecting, close back bearish, close back bullish. So this is like basically the range we're in. You see me? So if I put like one line there, so and one line you have to chat, it's a range of me at top. Hold on, right? Let me make sure like this not disappear. Hold on. Yeah, chat, as I say, we have like resistance, right? So we have support, right? So you see me? And it's like we're not close above yet. Just now we finally break, but after we break, as you can see, we push down, flip back bullish. You don't expect that, because whenever price a range, so the first break we break out of the range, just expect that to be a fake out. Me always hear a lot of people say it, bro. Like after like, I'm adjusting mic. Yeah, me always hear a lot of people say it, chat. After like a consolidation, whenever price just in a range, or just a range, after a consolidation, you normally get like a fake out or a manipulation after that. So since we in a range chat, as you can see, we would expect gold though. So we push down, we break out, and after we break out, we push straight back up in a range. You see me? So if we get like a closure above chat, we are wait for like a closure above range 2. Any closure above range 2, we could have look for buys going up same way. You see me? But yeah, some would have look for go about it. And if I drop down to like the 1 minute time frame, because yeah, you go only see like a week on the 30-minute candle. If I drop down to like the 1 minute or the 5 minute, you go see we actually like print like a fake out below the range, and then just have to push straight back up. And put one line right so. And this is the range. That's this at the bottom of the range right so. See it at so me I talk about. So look, we push down below, push straight down below the range. You see me? This I think right so which part you can get into just like a bounce up and down right so. But after we push down we tap 31, we end up print a fake out, cause as I say, after price range break out of the range, I expect that to be a fake out. So now we start to push up. I would wait for like a closure above range 2 before I look for any type of buys. You see me? That's how I would wait point. 30 minutes can go close in 3 minutes too. I want to see like if we can get like a closure above the range, that would have been good. That would have been good as well. Got 30 minutes left on the like what the hourly time frame. So chat. We'll just go over daily. Hold on, I'm gonna say yeah, the weekly. We did talk about the weekly. We'll straight gone on like the minute time frame. But yeah, the weekly can go flip as I'm say chat. I would look for no sales. If the weekly flip bearish, I look for no sales yet. We wait for like a closure below. You see me, cause we in a range right there. So if I drop down to the daily, the previous daily can go close bearish. We did print a top wick and we close bearish yesterday. And now we already print a top wick. I think we print like a top wick in an Asian session on the current daily candle. So chat, look, if this daily candle for flip bearish close below, that would have been good. Cause me, if you ask me, I'm bearish for today, chat. I'm bearish for today. But we gonna need a top wick even if go like a drive down. You see me? And that not because I'm bearish for today mean we can't take buys. Can't take buys with the idea in mind. It's just that we're going to print a steeper top wick. You see me? So that's what I want to see. Even though I'm bearish for today, I expect gold to drive up and print a top wick, cause even if we are gonna drive down, we need liquidity before we drive down. You see my chat? So that's what I look for. That's what I look for see happen. So that's why I'm gonna say yeah, closure above the range. This would be like range 1. Hold on, before I get into that, bro, let me just show you, cause I show me analyze the chart already. And that's why it's like, let me just like go over all that time frame them with, you know. So chat, that is the daily though. As I'm saying, I expect this daily candle for close bearish today, or we should be able to re-break the daily candle lows, but we're gonna need a top wick before all of that. We're gonna need liquidity. You see me? So if I drop down to like the 4-hour candle, got 30 minutes left, chat. We'll close. We'll say we'll close respecting, cause we have like a level right as a chat. You see me? So we'll close on the 4-hour candle, close respecting that. 30 minutes left. What I want to say, we print if this 4-hour candle can push up back, you see me? That would be like the 5-minute time frame push back up for print like a top wick, and then after that I see 5-minute candle then just start to push back down. So if this candle chat within 30 minutes, if we push up, print a top wick, start to flip back bearish, close below the range, that would have been decent. Would have look for tech sales, bro. But I want to see this candle start for reject. Or if we close bullish above the range, you could have wait for the next 4-hour candle, break the highs. After the next 4-hour candle, re-break the previous 4-hour candle highs. Then if we flip back, I would look for take nothing on a flip, I would wait for like a closure below. You see me? Like a closure below the range, same way. So some look at the 4, bro. And even if we're going to take buys chat like going up, I would expect if price are gonna drive up, we should be able to push up towards like 33.47. because me not expect we push straight up because this, you see this bottom we chat, more expect this to be enough to push price straight up. Even if we're going to drive up, more expect we push up towards this range. This is like a level where we have like a resistance level. So once we re-break the high, sprint at top quick right, so if the candle for start react, flip back bearish, close below the range, then we would say alright, that decent. We print a steep at top wick and then we close back below the range. It sells and would be ideal going down. But that time we are wait for see the chart, and if we drop down to like the hourly time frame, as you can see, we are with like we're building a range chart, you see me? And if I look on the current hourly candle, like first candle will break out. So we break cause look, we have like a support there, so but I say we have like a resistance right here, so you see me? And this current hourly candle we push down, we break this structure we have right here, so top 33, when me say 33 is like my blind, 33 13, we tap this level, break out of the like range, and then we flip back bullish. So this is how I say chat. Closure above this level will be a closure above range 1. Closure above this level will be a closure above range 2. I'm gonna look for buys above range 2 going up. Here's in my chat. Yeah bro, so but remember me telling you, I would expect gold to push straight up, cause we're going to need liquidity. So after we like close above range 2, you like expect we push all the way back down into the range, print like a bottom wick, and like once we get like a 1 minute candle closure back above the range, that would have been good, bro. We could have take buys going up. So it's like a sum would I look for go about it. And if you not understand, me dry out, like me mark up the chart and show you everything what I talk about. If you not understand chat. But look, that's how I look on it for the hourly candle do a chat, you see me? That's how I look on it. I just have to wait for like a closure above range 2, cause as I say, this might not be enough chat. I don't think this is enough, like what the hourly candle do. We push down and we tap this level. I don't think this is enough for push price all the way up, you see me? But that's why I'm not look for taking up buys. Yeah, we close back into the range, but I gotta avoid that, bro. I want like a closure above the range. And after a closure above the range, we push back into the range and retest. And after we retest, a closure back above, that would be my entry. You see me? So now my markup, so levels, I understand way better with my start markup levels. So chat, that's what I look for chat, you see me? That's what I look for. Closure above range 2, I take some buys. If we close back below, if we fail to close above chat and we push up print at top, we can close back below the range, the sales them going down would be decent as well. But now, I mark up the levels them, bro. Show what I talk about. Alright, so this will be what? Range 1. Right, as a chat. I'm showing how I get the levels them, by the way. If you look, we have a level right as a chat. You see me? Where price would I need for close below. Some would I say if we close below this level, this would be range 1. Normally when price close below range 1, is like if it takes sales below range 1, is a higher chance you're going to get fake out. You see me? So that's why we start apply like the range 1, range 2 concept. So you see, same thing price though. What we do is like we close below range 1. I'm pretty sure the 5 minute candle or the minute candle close below, and after we close below, we start to push back up. So we did get a fake out print. So that's why I avoid like the range 1 them chat, unless we have liquidity. Unless you can see it clearly, so we have liquidity, then it's good for take sales below range 1. But I avoid this closure below here, so more to look for a sales chat. More to wait for a closure below range 2. Any closure below range 2 chat would have be decent for we take sales going down. Any closure below here, so you see me chat, would I look for take sales going down towards the bottom of the range, or could I even look for take sales go down towards 33, this level right here, so chat, and that's what I talk about. So now I put what some basically get the line. As I said, I avoid this range that we have right here, so and put one line below the next range. Hold on, bro. Spending. The measure range going down, by the way. So that be what? That be like a 30 pip range chat. So it's like we can put one next line right there. So you see me? Any closure below you, so that'll be good. But would I need to see a top week get print chart? If you're looking at the past, so we'll get top week in at the past. As you can see, them candles over here, so chart when we close below was able to push up towards 31.18 and top. After we tap 31.18, then we was able to like flip back bearish. All of them candles that push up print at top, we can reject. So it's like if we go use like historical data and you look on like the current structure, you that expect like if we close below, you that expect like a look a retest. You see my chart towards 31.18. If you're looking at past at the same level where we was able to tap and reject. So let me adjust this line, go straight across. I'm showing you right here, so you see chart basically the same level, bro. So that would I wait for see, bro. Like look, this candle if we close below range 2, would I need to see after closure below range 2, would I need to see next candle open up, print the top wick, tap 33.16, 33.18, anyone this level right here. So after we tap this level chart, if the candle start to reject, we flip back bearish, that would have been my entry going down. As I'm say, this is like a 30 pip range. This is like a 30 pip range. We would look for take advantage of. You would expect price could definitely continue down towards the overall range fill. If we put one next line right as a chart, that are basically like the overall like range fill. Yes, me would expect if we fall down, print a top wick all the way up that's and flip back bearish, would expect we fall down and top this level 33 0.37, like it's like overall range fill. You see me? So would I expect this level get tapped, but you already know me, bro. I don't mean we have to go hold the trade, go straight then so. But I just look for take advantage of this 30 pip range and would I call it a Wednesday if that for happen. You see me? So that would have be the idea them for sales chat. For buys, that would have be level one would I look for take sales below to one. You might see me adjust my levels them later on in our stream, but for right now, that's what we are work with. You see me? As also we have news I go forward out soon too. So we should be able to get some volume. But for the buys them child, I'm say if me I go look for take buys, the thing is with the buys them chat, I need to see like a closure above. And as I did say in our analysis, if I there earlier, I say I would look for taking buys above range 1. Look chat, it's a range we're in. As you can see, price push up, push back down, up, down, up, down. So this is a range we're in from right or so. From right or so to right or so. You see if price in a range, normally if we push up close above the range, this would be range 1 chart. I look for take no buys above range 1. I wait for a closure above range 2. See if price push up and close above range 2, that would be decent chart. You see me? Some would look for take buys. Cause the reason why I'm not taking buys above range 1, cause there's a higher chance to get caught in a fake out. Whenever price close above range 1, it's like it might be a fake out, bro. You see me? After a consolidation, you have like a manipulation and then a continuation. So price are consolidate right now. The first breakout, trust me, bro, don't take the first breakout. Cause you might see the candle push up, breakout, and the next candle just go straight back down. Something like this, straight back down. So a range 1 breakout might be risky, bro. So we are gonna avoid that. Any buys that would be above range 2, I would still need for see liquidity. You see me? If we just push up above range 2, no liquidity, like would just avoid that too. You see me? But by the time we reach range 2, most likely we are gonna have liquidity before price even reach up there. So that how I look for the chart. So I put one line above there. So 36, 33, 46. We can even adjust it, put it right here. So I measure the range going up, by the way. That would have be like what? 30 pip range going up same way, 32 to be exact. So we have put one next line right as a chat. So this would have be like the range fill. As you can see, even if you look over as a chat 9 pass, this was like a clean range. It was always able to get fill. Can go close above. You can see we push straight up and we fill this range without like no problem. And as I'm saying, it's like it's a 30 pip range, you know, bro. That good, bro. You see me? I would have be like what? 27, bro. And if we forget like a weekend chat, we could have wait for like a weekend somewhere around here, so like 3347.67. You see me? And that would have basically be a retest. Look, that would have basically be a retest. Cause you see we have like structure right here, so if we close above it, you know, price would have push back down, retest. Once that flip chart, we could have look for buys, or we could have even enter a weekend trade for like the minute candle. You see me? So that's how I want to see current price though. Or that's just another idea we have. Price can do anything, we just have idea for both buys and sells. You see me chat? I already explained to you why I'm not taking no buys above here, so this a range one, bro. That gonna be tough. Or that would be like a B setup. You see me? Like a B setup, bro. That would be like a A plus setup. But that's how the analysis chat. You see me? You might see me adjust the lines them. The more you can go print. But for right now, I work with that. We have news. Next thing we have a forward up on news. I think we have news 9 o'clock. And then we have news 9:35. And then we have news I think at 9:45. Yeah, we have some red folder at 9:45. So chat, goal we might find direction get print at like 10 a.m. or something like that, bro. Goal probably start for like print direction at 10, bro, cause we have news of found out. But that are the idea we have do a chat. Now we just play waiting game, bro, so I can go on. You see me? If I got adjust none of my levels them, I know I gonna know. I will not really like keep the same level throughout the whole stream. Sometimes we might adjust them, you know. Depends on where you can go close and where you can go in, where you can go then do. Put this up by the way. I need to get adjust a little bit higher. Yeah, chat, just a small adjustment. Is it? We got like what 10 seconds until this 15 close. So chat, can this 15 close bearish below the range or the next 15? We're going to wait point. Close bearish below. No, we close bearish but bearish respecting. You see me? So this 15 chat, if this 15 close below the range, that would have be good. But before you close below the range, you could have print like a top wick. That would have be even better, bro. I'm gonna see this 15 can go flip bullish, print a top wick, and then flip back bearish, and we start to get closures below the range. You see me? That would be ideal. But we just wait and see what go on chat. Remember we said we have news are forward up though. Give me like 2 seconds, chat. Me forward. I pick up something and forward. It's like we just like a range chat. But you don't expect we range though, cause as I'm say, we have a bunch of folder forward or chat. When we notice, you see whenever we have news, like look, we have news on 9 a.m., 9:35, 9:45. Bro, goal normally start to move at like the last folder. You see me? When I last folder for the day, that's how we normally tend to find like direction. So bro, by the time like 9 o'clock come, 9 o'clock come, we have the first yellow folder forward out. You just get until like if we not get nothing, get until 9:30, 9:45. When we have the major folder, cause we have a red folder at 9:45. After that, we're good, bro. After 9:45, we're good. By 10 a.m., we're supposed to find direction for the day. So no wonder why goal not really do nothing right now. Cause we just need to be patient, bro. You see me? We are gonna move though, that's one thing. We're gonna move today. Don't feel like we are gonna range today, no? We're gonna move a lot today, bro. We've already moved a lot. Ten years from now, they're gonna look back. Wow, 10 minutes until the 4 close. Finally flip back bearish and start to drive down. Alright. Now go really watch it drive down chat. We want to see closure below range 2. You already know. We already break down your charts. Chat. So everybody. Well, let me see. Yeah, as I said, we already break down your chart. We already have an idea what I look for today. This is my chat. We just wait for see that get print. Put this 33.14. Oh, that'd be good. Yeah, let me see. So we start to push down, chat. Yeah, bro. We already know, chat. We need to say like a closure below 33.13 or 33.12. Yeah, and we're good to go. So chat, we basically top 33.13 and start for reject. This makes sense, chat. This are basically everything's still good, bro. Cause it's like this a structure I get print. You see me? Normally, you see if we fall down and we tap the level and price start for push back up. You see me? So that's basically structure I get print. Cause you see if this can go for like push back down and break the lows, chat, this are basically what would happen on a smaller time frame. Smaller time frame push back down, we get like closure below. So it's like when I never just one straight drive through the range and we take sales. No, upon where we have structure get print like before we fall down, like right. So me I talk about chat. So you see this current can go push down, tap the level, start for reject, that good, bro. If we push back down, break and close below, that would have even be better. You see me? That's like an extra confirmation added to like the sales them. You see my chat, so no watch that, bro. Got 5 minutes left until the 15 close. If you drop down to like a 1 minute chat, you gotta see what I just say. We push down, we tap, and after we tap, we start for reject. It's like same thing what I just say. It's like when you look on like the 15-minute time frame, you can basically tell where the 1 minute I do. We push down, we tap the level, right as a chat. After we tap the level, we start to close. We start to get bullish, can go push back up. But this are the thing. As long as we not close above the range, we're good, chat. If we push back up bullish, and then for whatever reason forward back down, close below the range, that would have been good, bro. Cause now we have like a top week. Now we have structure. Get print and never just one straight drive down. Cause when price just I drive straight down like that, it's like it's a high chance you get caught in a fake out, bro. Our price should be able to reject from like whenever price just a drop without no structure, it's like you normally reject and you know break your levels them. But you see when I talk about chat, now we print a high and now we forward back down. Now we are forward back down. So that good, bro. Re-breaking the lows. See? You see what I talk about. But guess what I wait for now? I wait for see a closure below the range. Everything look good so far. I'm load up MetaTrader 5 by the way, because we might get an entry, chat. Might get an entry. I'm gonna say we got 3 minutes until we get a closure. Yeah, chat. That did clean though, that did super clean. But that would have been the idea behind ourselves then, as in my chat. It's like we fall down, we close below range 2, they can't leave a print structure on the way down, so everything good, same way. That would have been like the idea behind it, so nice. Now we start enter the range chat when I look for take sales. So now we enter the range, that's how things get real, bro. We got 10 seconds left till the 1 minute can go close. Should we enter for the 1 minute time frame or wait for the 5 minute can go close within 2 minutes? You know, I do chat, I wait for the 5 minute can go close within 2 minutes because that are the 30, no sorry, that are the 4 hour can go closure as well. 4 hour can go about to close in 2 minutes. So I'm not sure I want to enter a trade off of this 1 minute can go chat, knowing that the 4 hour can go need a top week anyways. You see me? So yes, this 1 minute can go would have enter, you know. But bro, the 4 hour can go about to close and the 4 hour can go might reject. So we might as well wait for the 4 hour can go closure and the 4 hour can go top week and then we look for sales though. So we'll wait for that chat and avoid this current 1 minute can go. Let me see what the 4 hour say. Got 1 minute and 10 seconds left. And if we fill the range chat, if we just push down, fill the range without me, A GG's. You see me? A GG's, bro. Alright, chat. So we have 20 seconds and it's like we get like a closure back below the range. So good, that good. You see me? That good. We more than one to see now, chat. It's like a top week. That one for see is for I can go print a top week. We close with a bottom week, right? Yeah. So wow, chat. We see we feel the range. Feel the range, bro. GG's. But nice. So as I'm say, chat, more of it is for I can go print a top week. After a 4 hour top week, we should be good, bro. And when this I think, chat, more of it a top week get print at like this level out top 33.13. That look good. I'm not gonna lie, 33.13 look good. But chat, you see, if we can push up and tap this level 33.16, that would be even better though. You see me? So chat, I don't know. I go wait and see what this for I can go do. I not put no sell stop on it flip as yet. If we can just break this level and push up towards this level right, so that would be even better, chat, I swear. Cause remember this is the 4 hour candle, you know. We're going to need a 4 hour candle top week. It's only like a look of 5 minutes or something like that, bro. I don't know, I could be wrong, chat. We probably even need a steep week like that, but bro, I just wait and see what happens. No sell stop on the flip as yet. We still got range going down. Range going, cause look, we didn't even fill this range yet, chat. This line we may have right, so we should be able to fill this range and we didn't even fill that yet. You see me? What we can do, if price like just push back down without we do I just mark up some new range, chat. You see me? Mark up some new levels and wait for that. But me no want to cycle down for less, bro. And you see, it's like we reject look a while, we probably would have get activated if we did have sell span and flip. 5 minute candle end up flip back bullish. Yeah, chat. We just need that. We just need like we just need to see like a steeper top wick. If we have a steeper top wick, we would look for sell 0.4 or flip. We have nothing left. And as I'm saying, if we not get that, what we're going to do is wait for like closures below the range. Because one way to tell if like this top wick is enough, chat, is for if they can actually close below the range. You see, if we close below the range, then we're good, bro. There's so much I say. If we start, if we get closures below the range, more top wick, retest, flip back bearish again, then we're good. I guess this was enough. So I'm say it did look clean, but I just want to like break the highs, like break. As that would be even better, bro. What time? 9:03. Alright, chat, so I adjust them real quick, bro. Hold on. To basically can go flip. It's like me have way too much lines about my screen now, chat. But yeah, I wait for like a closure below. Well, I'm gonna deal too much lines, bro. Too much lines. It all look confusing. I'll try. I'm just put them the back door, like just some of them. Basically, more wants like a closure below the range. You see me? If we can get a closure below the range, a top wick push back up towards yaso. 3309. If we forget a top wick, there's a chart closure back below the range and measure the range. Measure the range going down. Could take cells. We could take cells below the range chart. So that it will be better. So you know what I do? Chat. I just avoid. This is how I do chat. Look. You see, I look for text cells. You see me? Anything below 17 would have be clean, but I just look on it. This would be like range 1 to check. I not look for techno cells below range 1. So I go do, I adjust this line, I put it down some more, all the way down so. Anything below down so would have be clean, and we got a 30 pip range going down, cause you still would have expect price to fall down and fill the range. I'll measure that same way. Sure no. This is like a 32 pip range going down, chat. So it'd be way better if we wait on this. We need for like a little mini top wick, right? So if we base it off of like historical data in our past, price was able to tap this level before we drive down. 3304. I just put that this up based off of this chart. So then candles yeah in our past was able to tap this level and push down, bear top wick up as so. Same thing will happen right as too. Top wick, after we get a top wick right here, so we push straight back down. So look chat, if I look on like the current structure, bro, I same thing chat. As I say, we adjust it down below range 2. If we get a closure below range 2, a mini top wick, that would have been decent, cause all me I expect is like price should be able to like forward down and fill. Like if we close below, we still got clean range going down towards yaso. As you can see, it's a clean range chart. So if we close below top wick, once I can go flip back bearish, I'm gonna look for sales going down. Here's my chart. I'll wait and see what I'm going to do. Alright, chat. So look, we got 1 minute left. We might get an entry, bro, in our next minute or so. But closure below, we don't need to see another top wick, and we're good. Let me see. Yeah, we got 1 minute left. So the first thing we need, chat, is a closure below the range, bro. If we get that, then we're good, bro. Closure below 3304.25. chat, we have to be patient, bro. So look, see what? Look, 5 min can go close below, you know. Let me see. 5 min can go close below. This is a decent level as well, but major range going down. That would be like what, 10? So that'd be like 23, 22. Yeah, chat. Can we get a closure below the range? Hold on, chat. I have to make like slight adjustments to my lines, them, bro. Wanna make sure your levels they're on point, you know. Start for reject. Nice, bro. Nice. Yeah, chat. No, look. See, this is why I put cells below range 2, bro. Normally when you have a fake out get print, chat, normally print a fake out below range 1. So me, cause me have my cells them all the way done, so we give price a chance for top close below range 1, print a fake out. You see me? And that's our price basically do. Print 1. One fake out go straight up. But it's I think chat, you see if we push up, like break the highs, and for whatever reason we close back below, it sells them I go even be better, chat. Cause now we have more structure get print. So like how we are push up, and closure back below this, bro. That'll be a A+ setup, believe. If we forget like a closure back below. Alright, chat. Look, you see, this is a perfect example of when would I take buy above range 1. You see me? This is a perfect example, chat. You see, when me take buys above range 1, it's like price have liquidity. We just grab liquidity. Whenever I can see it clearly that I all the time I take buys above range, ourselves below like range 1 or above range 1. So look, price will push up. Remember this range we did in, you know, and price push down, close below the range, right? So we have support right, so we close below it. After we close below it, what happened? We push down, print a bottom wick, print like a steeper wick, and if this can go flip bullish chart, push all the way back up and close back above like the first range where we been in a range. Would I look for take buys above this level 33.30 because we have clean range going up. That a 1, and 2 we just print a fake out, or some people call this a manipulation. So after a manipulation, we normally have like a continuation. Here I expect price to continue up, and not only that, we have clean range going up too. So that are the way I'm gonna take buys. You see me? I need to see that happen. Yeah. But chat, we're re-breaking the lows, bro. This might be good. This might be interesting, bro. Re-breaking the lows. Can we get a closure below? Can we get a closure below? Nice stop week. Nice stop week off for the 5 minute. 5 minute close week bullish or doji. But we still respecting chat, so we now look for nothing as yet. We want a closure below the range. And we're good. Chat, you already know chat. Me I look feel like you might see me text ourselves off of this, what you call it? Off of this candle, but me also I wait for like a closure below the range, you see me? And it depends upon what time we get it, cause if it take too long, you know, we would just wait for news forward out, cause we have news 9:35 and we have news 9:45. So if we fall down to like 9:25 or 9:30 and we don't get no entry, we not get no trade, man, we just wait till news. You see me? We have news 8:30 and we have news 9:45, 8:35 and 9:45. We have some red folder, so that I go move price a lot. So we would just wait for that. If we not get no entry though. I try to look, we push down, fill the range. We never get no closure below. So GG's, bro. Probably just go and wait until news. You see me? I think 1 minute can go just push straight down. 1 minute candle, bro. Me did wait for like a closure below check. I'm gonna look for cells. I'm telling you it's a clean range, you know. You see how easy we fill the range? Cause it's like a clean range going down. You see me? This was like a 30 pip range. But the way me did I look for enter is like a closure below. You see me? Not way below, yes so closure below your first line. Close below, yes so print like a top wick. Would I look for enter a weak entry or even enter upon you can go flip. When you can go flip, would I exit at the range fill. But look, we just pop straight down. Kango was above the range. I'll pop straight down and fill the range. So can't do nothing about that, but just mark up some new levels, get like a new idea. I think the next idea I chart are probably after news, cause we have news in like 9 minutes, bro. Or 15. Chat. Basically something there so watch, bro. Cause me already tell you when me a wait pan. Me a wait pan like news chat. You see me? Me I make price continue for print. Me a wait pan news, see how the news can go react. And then, you know, we see what we can get. Cause this we did have a sales idea. And the sales it basically play out without we. You see it. So what we are gonna do, we just have to wait until news. Cause trust me, news we are gonna move a lot, bro. And after news forward out, we can take advantage of like the leftover volume news are bring, bro. Or when news are go forward with. Whenever news forward out chat, it normally like price start to get volatile. You see me, so like if news forward out 9:45 or something like that, by 9:50 or 9:55 we're supposed to get an entry. Chat, me I prefer like buy a Xbox, bro. I don't know. But I want to know some people who have Xbox cause I like play FIFA. I want to play FIFA online. I want to play FIFA online versus some people, bro. Play some money FIFA. I do it. I do it on stream though. You see me? Yo, I don't think I play for fun. I have to play for money, bro. As when you play for money, you know. When you play for money, I take the game more serious. I'm probably going to do it. Just buy an Xbox whenever like I'm done stream. I start play some game, bro, before my end stream. But would I still trade in the morning in a chat? Trade in the morning, right after I done trade. Then would I start play some game, bro. You see me? But I don't know though, like I don't know nobody will have no Xbox and I don't want to play FIFA like I don't want to play FIFA upon like I don't want to play against computer, bro, cause I do that too much time. I like play against real people and like wage of money. I have to probably find some like FIFA streamer them. Search up on YouTube who stream FIFA, bro. Could have been buy a game already in a chat, but cause games they're not really that expensive, bro. But it's like the thing though, it's like I not really like the main thing when me I worry about. I just that now. I not like when I main thing them cause I barely play a game anyways. But I just I think like would I do it for stream though, you know. Like on days when we trade, get a win, bro. I just play some FIFA or something. Let me see what goal I do. Start to push back down, alright. Or push up. Print another top week. So print another top week and we start to get closures back below chat. You know it sells them on this sells them on this minute can go chat would have be clean. But you know why I'm not take it? Because we have news, bro. We have news. Might as well wait for news, and not only that, we never close below the range, we fill the range. And close basically close now the make like the range. So yeah, bro, might as well just chill out. Wait, we have news 8:35 chat. And I do a whole new analysis. Get some new levels and then work with your new levels them. See if we can get like a trade after news forward out. Delete them the chat and get some new levels. Minute can go close below. I'm gonna say yo. got 5 minutes left until the news can go chat. Alright, chat. As I'm say, me already tell no, me not take no trade until after news, bro. The news can go, then me look for some trades. But right now we have to go wait for that. 30-minute candle close below the range. Yeah, I expect this 30-minute candle for print at top week. Not we should be able for reject right which part with it. Like after we print like a bottom week, we should be able to reject and flip back bullish. Cause I just expect this 30-minute candle for print a top week chart. If we're not getting a top week, no GG's, bro. We did. Oh, okay. No, man, I see what going. So that what 33, 6, 7. Alright, chat. You know me, I look pan, bro. My previous, if me I gotta take anything now, chat, that would have most likely be some buys, bro. But just this range mode I expect we get fill. Cause we can't take no sales yet until we get like a closure below, chat. The closure below, then would have be good for take sales, bro. Range get fill. So chat, we have like 1 minute left until news. We have a yellow folder forward out, and after that we're at 9:45. We have a red folder. I'm gonna show you. See that chat. We have like this a forward out at 9:45. So I'm just want to wait for that, bro. Cause look, normally when the news them a forward out, bro, it's like might as well just wait. Cause chat, the news we have a forward out with volume. So price cannot do something right now, and you think like that would have been like a direction, and after news we start do a whole different thing. You see me? So I'm just want to wait till news forward out. We get like we take advantage of like the leftover volume what the news bring or after news found out. But leave a light child, everything look good so far, bro. Everything look decent so far. We just need for like get like the news scandal out of the way. And then you see we start hunt again for like some sales or buys. It just depends upon we're close to on this like time frame. Like it's 15 and it's 30. Depends upon we're close to chat. Close bullish, if we close heavily bullish above the range, we already know like the idea, we have idea of it buy same way. If that will happen. Alright, chat. What time? 38. Alright, chat. We might get an entry, you know. But it depends on how we close on this minute time frame. Can we close in the range or what? I see that. Wow, this is 100 pip range. I believe you see that, bro. So yeah, tell me this 1 minute can go just drop 100 pips, chat. Look at that, bro. I'm gonna zoom out for now. This 1 minute can go just drop 100 pips. Let me measure that again, bro. And it can go flip, yeah. Bro, this 1 minute can go just drop 150 pips, bro. Imagine 1 minute. Go and move. You see we start to move different now. Range them massive. We have 6 minutes, chat. Now look for nothing. I'll give it 6 minutes until the news can go. You see it. You leave off a fret, bro, cause we got more range going down chat, so but I feel like we don't really miss out for real. But just I try to take like a A plus setup. You see me? I don't wanna like no and take no yeah, I don't want to take no shaky setup. You see, I want to take a A plus setup on Wednesday, bro. Today is Wednesday. Yeah, I make sure chat. I want to make sure the trade I'm gonna take decent and look chat. Closure below ya so is a would a be good if we forget a closure below. But we got like 4 minutes left and we never close below. So nice. So we got 4 minutes left, check man. Wait 4 minutes and see what going. But may I look for sales below right as a chat. Below 32.81. May I look for sales below this level. But guess what? Would I need to say a closure below and we have news in 5 minutes. So probably even if we close below now, if I go keep it real, even if we close below now and this candle, I would take no sales cause bro we're gonna have like 3 minutes left. So I'm not take no sales knowing we have a red fold as a forward within 3 minutes. That's gonna be dumb. You see it, unless you buy or sell, unless you plan for trade the news. You see me, I'm not do that. Chat me so far, give me like 2 seconds. Chat, we got one. Wait. No. We got like 15 seconds until the news can go. So you already know after the news can go, I start wait for trades. I start look for trades. So the news can go forward out. So chat, this are the news candle in a chat. You see me? Me just want to see just want to see the candle start react. I just want to see the candle start react and I look to get some entries. But right now, we close bullish above the range. You see me? 30-minute can. Well, we're not close bullish. We close bearish, but bearish respecting. You see me? It was bearish respecting. So when I go to chat, I just wait, bro. Wait until we get a closure below or something like that. Range 1, this could have been what? Range 2. Chat, may I look like, it's like, may I brief say, yo, if we take sales below like 30 to 85, that would be a bad level if it takes sales below, but if you look on a 15-minute candle chat, 15 close respecting, you see me, we close bearish respecting. So at any given time, this 15-minute candle can flip back bullish, you see me, because we close respecting above the range. If like it can definitely flip back bullish if you want, but what me I go do, I just wait for like this 15-minute candle print structure. You see me? Like see like how we are push down, more so like some top wicks get print. If this candle can reject, yeah, nice. That's my thought about it. More on this candle for reject chat, you know, give it like a little bearish closure, like something like this. You see like how we open up, we push down. More, well, let me even use that one there. We open up chat and we push down. More have to see, me not just want like a straight drive down. Like if we just get like a straight drop down, it's like price could have like reject off at any one of these levels because it was just a straight drop. Once like structure get print in at the 15, like with the 15 up fall down, once like a reject but though close above, once you reject close bullish respecting. After close bullish respecting, we start to forward back down, you know, get like top wicks again and like can just continue to push down. Once we get like a closure below the structure, then would I look for like take sales. But that time would I want to see chat just couple top wick get print so we can like confirm say yo this 15-minute candle now go flip bullish because we close bearish respecting. As I can see, we have like a level right as a chat. Every time we so close above right as where the 15 can go close on this yellow line. So all of them candles are them was able to flip and push back up. Same thing we flip and push back up, and we already have a bottom wick as well. So just due to that chat, that's why I want to see like, bro, what the fuck man? That's why I want to see a steeper, like not a steeper top wick, but actual structure get print on like the 15-minute time frame, and it's like we feel the range. So GG's, we just have to stay out to that. Here's in my chat. We just have to stay out to that, bro. I'm still wait for like the same thing what I just said. Even if we close below the range chat, that make it even worse because now we know we need structure because gold not gonna just continue to drop. We're going to need like price I gotta slow down a little bit, you see me, before we start to drop, bro. So I'm gonna wait and see what's going. We still got clean range going down in the chat. We definitely got clean range, but still, as I say, I just need to see a top wick. I just want Just want to have that extra confirmation that we're now gonna flip bullish on the 15 or the 30. And guess what? We have 9 minutes left. So if we fall down to like the last 5 minutes in the candle, then would I be more comfortable at excels, because now is a high chance we're going to close bearish below the range. You see me? In a like the last 5 minutes or the last 4 minutes. Volume, bro. Still the range, we still got more range going down. Try you see if we break below 32.71, we have more range going down towards 32.67. It's like a 30 pip range going down same way. So we'll wait and see what going. See how the 1 minute candle go close. Do what happen, bro. Today is a day chat where for like max out patience. No joke, bro, cause we can't just take any trade, bro. So patience max out today. And if we not get a trade today, bro, I'm cool with that as well, bro, cause today would have be like the first day for whole entire month, bro. We not get a trade. And we get like I think we get like 2W. We win Monday and we win Tuesday. So we up good for a week, bro. So if we not get a trade till the Wednesday, that would be a big of a deal though. You see me try. But most likely we going to get a trade though, just I say. Cause if I check your stats, we normally get a trade every day. But chat, now we are push up for the top week. So look chat, this is how I go about this is how I go about it, bro. Look, chat. Remember me last say you more than need for say a top week get print though. It's like how we are push up now, and like the 30 minute start for reject. We got 6 minutes for the hourly close. That decent chat. We may expect if we get like a closure back below, that would have be good, bro. We should be able to continue down if we forget a closure below like the low. So we have this low right here, so some fix this show now. Let me remove that. Put this right here, so put this right here, so chat so you can see what I talk about. Adjust that to the lower. So chat, like any closure back below like the current candle low, but I look for like textiles. You see me? That high level mode I look for textiles below. Since we reject print the top wick, anything below this would that be decent, bro. Now when me this see it off, I think I did the hourly time frame. Could I be like, yeah, range 1, range 2. Was it from the low towards the side? Could I be like 20 pips? So we got like 3 minutes left. Any closures? I'm say, I just wait for like a closure below. You see? You see me? If we get like a closure below, we gotta look for sales going down. Put one line right, yes sir, cause this could be like we break even area. Right, yes sir. Yeah. 32.69 could I look for good break even once we tap that level. But we just need like a closure below the range though, and we're good. Well, I'm zooming. You know see my screen by the way? I'm gonna zoom in, bro. But this I think chat, if I go look for buys, I look for buys above range too. You see me? What I say, oh, if I go look for buys, I wait for like a breakout. This would be like range one chat. I wait for price breakout. After price breakout, if we can get like a closure above here, so then I start look for buys chat. But I wait for like a bottom wick top this level. 32.83, and then once we flip bullish, then we look for buys going up. You see me? That way I be like the idea of me have for buys now, but right now we are look for sales though, cause if we get like a closure below as a check, we look for take sales. Or that if we forget that. Structurally, I like what 80 pips. We got what 30 seconds until we close chat. Alright. 8 seconds, my bad. So chat. As I say, bro, it sells them going down would be that bad. This most likely would be like a market execution chat. You see me? Yeah, bro. Nice top week once again. So chat. As I say, bro. You see this 1 minute candle, I'm showing them. You see this 1 minute candle chat. It's like how we start to push up for a top week. I wait. I just want to wait until we flip back bearish. If we flip back bearish, that would be good. Because as you can see, we're not completely close below the range, you know. I have my line at 37. No, 32. Yeah, 3271.85. We never completely close below. You can see we close right. So chat. Just like if this can go print a top week again, we manage to like push back down for whatever reason close below, that would be decent, bro. This, I guess this are the 30-minute can go top week. 30-minute can go just close just now. Oh no, no, the 30-minute can go close. So look, we'll close respecting. Close respecting. Print a top week and we just drop, bro. Wow. So chat. close respecting, bro. Print a little mini top week and just drop. We didn't even close yet. So when stuff like this happen, we literally can't do nothing about it, bro. And I like say me I enter in ourselves now and just try to catch like a falling knife now, bro. We have to just delete the whole line them and get so new levels mark up and we just wait again. You see me? Because if it just drops, so I can't enter sales, bro. If it just continue down, I can't enter sales. I need to see like my idea play out. You see me? That's how I need for the chat. We still got range going down though. We got clean range going down. But until I get entry confirmation, I just can't enter. You see that candle there, it literally close respecting and then just drop. Like why we never close below the range then if that did not happen? You see me? But when that happen, bro, you just mark up some new levels and do FOMO. You see me, chat? Make sure any trade me take, bro, I have to be aligned with my plan, I swear. Or I'ma just leave, bro, cause as I'm say, we're up good for your week, chat. I think Sunday, I catch like 30 pips. Monday, catch like, I think we catch like 30 pound stream. Cause my stream Monday and Tuesday. Tuesday we catch like, I think yesterday we catch like 35. So it's like, bro. We even have to like chase, bro. If we don't get nothing for today, then at GG's. Let me see though. Still got clean range going down in the chat. That's one thing, bro. Still got clean range going down, but man, for just wait. Me I wait for if you ask. Me I wait for this hourly candle print structure. Like for example. So like how we are drive down. Me not go just take cells just because clearly the candle go down. One would I love to see chat if this hourly candle, like how we drive down. More have to say medieval use that. Like I would drive down, more have to say the candle reject. Like price just a fall down, more have to say like reject, like you know, like on this hourly candle for reject, push back up, push back all the way down and get like a closure back below the range. That would have been good. You see me? So even though I'm gonna look for sales below right as a chat, because this is a clean range going down, but I just want to see price reject first. Let me see. Can we get a top week print, bro? Like if we can print a top week close back below the range, that would have been good. We got like 1 minute left until the 5 minute candle close. So say the 5 minute candle close below right there, so. And after the 5 minute candle close below, the next 5 minute candle push up and top this level. That would have been good, chat. Would I just put cells on the 5 minute candle flip and look for take advantage of the range going down. You see me? So we'll see if that can happen, bro. As I'm saying, we still got more range going down same way. Try the reason why you see me always I look left chat, I just the levels them I just I look pan, bro. Wanna make sure it makes sense. You see me like all price just a react every time I can go then close. I see which level we top. You see me. I just that, bro. I just try make sure levels that make sense. You see me. So me adjust my levels then slightly when the candle then close and thing. You just have to do that, bro. So look chat. It's 5 minute candle, close respecting. And after we close respecting, but make sure, hold on. Yeah, close respecting chat. So now that we close respecting, you would expect we can still drive down most definitely. But what would that be ideal if we get a top week print like what we are doing right now? If this 5 minute candle for print a top week, flip back bearish. After we flip bearish chart, we get like a closure below this level, like a 1 minute candle close or a closure upon like the 1 minute time frame below that level there. When me I stutter, bro. You'll get like a closure back below a chart. That would have been good, bro. You see me? But yeah, you would expect this 5 minute candle for flip bullish because we close respecting. We have like a level right here, so where price was able to drive up from. We never close below it. We close respecting it. So close bearish respecting. Nice. Price did drive up. So I may say if we push up, print a top wick and for some reason we flip back bearish like a 1 minute closure below the range, and that would I look for enter sells. So we'll see. Same thing me that talk about with the 30 minute candle rejecting shot. Like I remember I'm telling somebody you want to see this 30 minute candle reject first, and it's like we reject halfway so far. So that good, bro. And the rebreak of the lows, would I expect price to continue down towards the range fill. But to the price action chat, when I get to the price action like when I get to the like would I say like a 6 or a 7 out of 10, bro? Because the only thing is like we just like the price we not close below the range them. We just like make one big pop and fill the range. You see me? And that's the only thing. But the way out price a print, everything makes sense though, chat. You see me? Everything makes sense. Cause would I expect like we print a top week like we not just drive down, like this structure make completely sense. The only thing where makes sense, but me see it happen all the time, is like say we look for sales below this below this yellow line on me have right, so price would normally like close, but don't close below it, you know. It don't close below it, it close respecting, and then it just drop. Just something like that, bro. Just go straight down, and then you miss a trade, bro. And I said, Jano. You see me? I don't see it happen from morning though. But besides from that, the price action and structure, everything look good though. You see me? Everything look good. Structure we print on the way down, everything look good. But chat, remember me telling you, say me I look for sales, you know. Like you see, like we push up. This how we make that top, but we push up, we print a top week. If we close back below the range, me look for sales, bro. I could probably enter for a week entry or so. Not a week entry, but a 1 minute candle. Nice chat. So we get a closure below chat. Can we get a top week? After a top week chat, I look for sell. But I want to see a top week first. Chat. This candle, I want to see it flip, print a top week first. Chat. Let me see. Nice. So chat. I just gone sales. Chat. Chat. I just gone sales, right? So chat, the idea behind this chat is just a closure below the range. We get a top week print. After a top week, we would expect say once this can go flip chat, we should be able to fall down and fill the range. You see me chat? So that's the idea, bro. That's the idea behind it. So chat. Yeah, I get a weekend share for like the 1 minute, 5 minute can go close below the range now. So can this 5 minute can go flip chat? I this mean a light, bro. We didn't even see. We didn't even see when we push down and break the lows. That was so fast. But look, we got 4 minutes left though. I wait to see how this can close. Now we enter a trade chat, nothing else not really in my control, bro. You see me? We have to just wait and see how the trade play out. But literally, this was a trade according to plan, though, chat. Can't say this not according to plan. We literally wait, and I go, but I can't even close full. Can we break the lows? Chat, we got 30 seconds left. This can go even close below the range within 30 seconds or 20 seconds. Three minutes left, though. Alright, chat. Let me see how we are gonna close, though. Can we get a top wick, chat? After a top wick print and the minute candle, chat, me I go risk free the trade. We got like 4 seconds left. Me not break even yet. Can we get a top wick? After a top wick get print, chat, that will print a top wick, flip bearish, me I go break even. You see me? So can this can go flip? Can this mean can go my nice chat? Risk free. This is now a risk free trade. I swear to him I might mute, bro. This is now a risk free trade, chat. I'm close full right there, so close full right there, so chat. I think that was like what? That was like 35 pips, chat. Or 30 pips, cause I'm close full right there, so chat. That was a 30 pip trade, bro. I'm out, chat. You see me? If you're still not the trade, you want to hold for your home run. I don't know why you do that, but if you wish to do that, make sure you're risk free at least. Break even the trade, bro. We just make like 30 pips off of that trade there. We're chilling, chat. It's like we have a 30 pips fever. We catch 30 pips back to back, bro. But chat, look. A trade there was according to plan. We never FOMO. Yeah, me I expect this entire range to get filled, chat. Like this entire range. But bro, if we already up 30 pips, we now have a whole like this range how much? This range is 50 pip range, chat. 53 pips. If you want to do that, bro, that I don't know, chat. I just can't, bro. Why is me up 30 pips, chat? We see say price did a struggle cause we push down, we reject, push back down, we break even, we trade after the 1 minute candle print a top wick. They just have to close, bro. If gold continue to drop past right here, so I think my close off right here, so if gold continue to drop past right there, so then I GG's, me don't even care, cause once me get my slice I cake, everything good, bro. Once me get my trade, and see, break even could I get hit, chat. So double your closure, bro. Double your closure, break even would I get hit. Hey, you see today is a day we'll close early and price reject. You see that? And a whole heap of time I close early and price just continue down, but this I think though, never like change up a way you do things. Cause as I say, a whole heap of time I normally close full and price just continue straight down after my close full. You see it? And fill the entire range. But look, if me did switch up, I would have probably not make no money, I would have probably get stopped out at break even. That's why you make sure you follow your plan every day, chat. And sometime like follow your plan every day, bro. Stuff like this are gonna happen and you're gonna be able to like say, yeah, good thing we did do that. But the break even, chat, like the idea behind break even, did clean, bro. Look, we get a closure below the range, you see me? If you pre the 1 minute candle, look. Well, I'm gonna say something. If you pre the 1 minute candle, chat, look, we get a closure below the range. This bearish candle will close below the range. Nice. But this are the 5 minute right I say in the chat. It's like 5 minute candle close below the range. 5 minute candle print a top wick, because of course before we drive down we're going to need a top wick. If you look on the 5, you can see whoa, this 5 minute candle end up close bullish. So but chat, you did there. If you did there on your stream, you see what going on. This 5 minute candle, first thing you do, we print a top wick. And after we print a top wick, we close back below. Cause this me dep on a 1 minute time frame, you see me? So that's why I see more candles because we dep on a 1 minute time frame. So close back below upon a 1 minute, chat. After we close back below, once we get a top wick back up to the entry, chat, because we're going to need a little top wick after the 1 minute candle. Once we get that little top wick there for the 1 minute time frame, if the candle flip bearish, that's like a good time for go break even because we know already have a top week at we entry. So if price for flip bearish push up, re-break this high, goal I go fly, bro. Or even if it not go fly, you're gonna know in a drawdown. You see me? Because we already have a top week and a re-break at this high, I go push it further. So that was the idea behind the break even chat. And as I'm saying, I try risk free, I trade them more often. Because a whole part of time I take trade and my trade will literally play out and I still not go break even. And me I try to do that. Cause if I look on my stream record, I take more L's than break even, bro. I barely go break even. You see me? And I go try switch up that chat cause we have it. If we take more break even, we would have make way more money. You see me? So I start go break even way more often, believe. That was Wednesday. Show up Wednesday, we get a W Wednesday, you see me? So that are three wins in a row chat. As I'm telling you, I not count Sunday, you know, cause I trade Sunday, but this is the reason why I not count Sunday, cause I not stream Sunday. So if I not stream a trade, I not really count it and I not put it in my journal. But I did trade Sunday evening and Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So I win three. I win like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. 4 days in a row. But on stream though, if we are gonna take out Sunday on stream, we win, we get a W. As I said, we get like 30 pips Monday, 35 pips Tuesday, and today a Wednesday. This was like what? I think this was like, let me measure this. This was like 30 pips chat, 33 to be exact. On Wednesday, so it's like we're up good for your day, or we're up good for your week chat. You see me? Just what we are gonna do now, I just call it a Wednesday, bro. Come back tomorrow and do the same thing Thursday. You see me? Yeah, bro, that's all we have to do. And within due time, we are gonna recover a few L's them what we take. A few L week them what we have within due time, bro. Now whole we trade them no longer. I same thing I say yesterday, bro. Even if I lose, bro, even if I lose 100 pips, I come back tomorrow and close off at 10, bro. I just saw my trade. And because I lose, I go say, you know what, I hold this trade for like a home run. No, bro, you can't. And so go to work, you see it. But chat, that was a W trade, bro. Not gonna lie. We literally like wait for that all day. We take a trade, W entry. I think we didn't even have no drawdown chat. That was a nice week entry chat. That was a nice week entry. Yeah, bro. So I call it a day chat. Just drop a like on your stream on your way out. You see me? Tomorrow Thursday. I go there Thursday same way, bro. And hopefully understand the idea behind our trade still, cause brother, whether we win, lose or draw, that don't really matter. The thing where most important are why we take a trade. If I can explain why we like everything, like we can't even talk. If I can explain the reason why we take a trade, at that time most important thing, bro. You see it? Like me understand this trade to a T chat, cause me always go over my trade them and try to understand them. You see it? And it's like me can tell them me understand this trade to like everything. Like it did more to say easy, but it clear chat. Once you understand structure, it clear, bro. We literally wait. I'm telling you, say, yo, we're going to need a top week. When this can go, when we are push up, what happen? We close bullish, but bullish respecting, because we have a level right, so where we never close above. You see me? So when we close bullish respecting, like, bro, anything back below the range, no, this would have just be like, what you call this? Basically, I think then call it when price push down and it push back up and it push down back and close back below. I think then call it a lower low or a higher fuck it chat, a higher something or a lower something. You know what me I talk about. I true me a trade like that, bro. So like let me show you. Or a break and retest. Yeah, me know that one day. Some people call it a break and retest. This is basically what happened. We are pushed down. Goal push back up, close respecting, because I'm telling you we have a level right here, so we never close above, it, we close below it, so we close bullish but bullish respecting. After that we push back down and we close. We then call this again, like this is up here, so we then call this up here, so I think it's a freaking, what they call it again? A higher low. I think this is a higher low or a higher high. Chat though, bro. Bro, I'm probably so dumb, but I true me not really trade like that, so me not understand. It's like me understand it, but me never really like me not use it as a term. So that's why, bro. Me understand it in a like my like terms though. Like would I call that a top week? You see me? Some people that call it a break and retest, and the next thing one me can't pronounce. But yeah, bro, me see you tomorrow, chat. Cause me don't know, me even have, me don't think me have nothing else to do for the day, but me a end stream, bro. Me a end stream and just forward back tomorrow, chat. Tomorrow Thursday, you know, forward back and just try it. End of Thursday strong, then forward back Friday, do the same thing. And you know, we have a great week, but just drop a like on your stream and your way out, chat. Me I go call it a day right, so. Not take no more trade for the day, you see me? I call it a day and see you tomorrow. That is it for right now, chat. You see it. Just remember to drop a like, same way. But that is it though.